Your scraper is fine, your code is fine, the proxy type is wrong. That's why you keep getting blocked. Static and rotating proxies are not interchangeable. They work differently, they're built for different jobs. Confusing them doesn't just slow you down, it gets you blocked entirely. So let's fix that. A static proxy gives you one IP address. It stays the same for every request you send, every session, every time you connect. That consistency is the whole point. There are two main types worth knowing. Data center proxies are server-based. Fast, we're talking 1 to 10 GBPs, and reliable. ISP proxies are different. They're assigned by real internet service providers, so they look like a legitimate home user to any website. However, they still run on data center infrastructure. You get residential level detection avoidance with data center speed. That's not a small thing. Both are static. One just hides better. But here's the thing. A rotating proxy works the opposite way. Every request or every set interval, you get a new IP. The pool behind that rotation can be massive. Residential proxy pools often run into the tens of millions of IPs across 195 locations. You're not a single user, you're everyone. That's exactly what large-scale scraping needs. Price monitoring, SERP tracking, data collection at scale. Targets can't block what they can't pin down. So which one do you actually need? This is where most people get it wrong. They assume rotating is always better. It's not. If you're managing social media accounts, running sneaker bots, or doing ad verification, a rotating IP is a fraud signal. The platform sees a different IP every few minutes and flags the account. You want a static IP there, same identity, every time. You might think residential proxies are always the answer. They're not. For high-speed tasks on less demanding targets, a data center proxy is faster and cheaper. Match the tool to the job. And there's one more thing most people miss. Sticky sessions. A sticky session is not a static proxy. It's a temporary lock on one IP within a rotating pool. You keep the same IP for a defined window. Then it rotates again. It's the middle ground. MarsProxies lets you set that window anywhere from 1 second to 7 days. That range matters when your task needs short-term consistency without a permanent IP. Here's the simple framework. Use static when you need a consistent identity. Accounts, bots, verification. Use rotating when you need scale and anonymity, scraping, monitoring, data collection. Use sticky sessions when you need both, temporarily. MarsProxies covers every point on that spectrum. Static, ISP proxies, and data center proxies, and rotating residential proxies with sticky sessions up to 7 days. Your traffic doesn't expire either, so unused bandwidth on a rotating pool doesn't disappear on you. Head to MarsProxies and find the right proxy type for your setup.